How y'all doing? Listen, we got everything loaded up on the back of the truck. We headed to land between the lakes in Tennessee and Kentucky. So we're going on an adventure. I'll explain a little bit of that to you later. Let's go.
I'm feeling low. Want you to know I ain't got much to show. Baby, I'm slow. I'm gonna creep into my eyes, snail show until the spring liberates me from my winter hell. I've got candles and candy. I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into your prison cell. Hey baby, can you tell I'm not a criminal? Your choice is seminal. I want you to stay true to what's right for you.
Alrighty, a couple hours in on the drive. We are in Catawba County. We're about to come to Asheville. We're about to be out of the state of North Carolina. Just rolling, Gladiator in the background. Take a stop, stretch it out a little bit. We are on the way to land between the lakes. So the story goes with land between the lakes is that there's a werewolf that has, I guess, massacred people in that area. So what I did was I found the places that they seen the sightings the most, and I camped near that. So one of two things will happen: either we get mauled up, maybe become a werewolf, or it'll be mellow. You know what I mean? Immortality be cool and stuff. So we'll see what happens.
No matter who or know what will others say, just find your way and try to stay
true. What's happening? Sightseeing. They didn't really have time for this, but what you gonna do? Check this out.
alone, stand in your row, try not to show, this life's a show, try not to glow, way down below, oh, it's a lot of woe, and that's not a place where you would like to go. I've got cigarettes and brandy, which could come in handy if you just help me loosen up my hand grenades fuse. Baby, don't refuse my truth, but it's up to you now to choose. I want you to stay true to what's right for you, no matter who or know what will others say. Just find your
Water.
way.
Is that a river? Now, believe it or not, this is a little rest area just next to a bridge, a little river running by it. I'm like, hey, can I get to the water? She said, yeah. So awesome. Here we are. Some sightseeing. Fixing to go up and get back on the road. Trying to make our campsite.
And try to stay true.
Bumpus Mills. Bumpus hounds. It's supposed to be werewolves out here too. So we'll see what happens. Alright, Bumpus Mills. One last look. Headed to Bucksaw Campgrounds, Northwest Missouri. It's on a lake. Slips my memory right now. Bucksaw, Missouri. I got a big old storm coming. Maybe we'll get some footage of that later on. So I am not deploying the tent. See how this works out. But what I do have is this chunk of lake right here. And one of these, check this out.
I want you to stay true to what's right for you. No matter who or when or what will others say, just find your way and try to stay true.
Well, I mean, as good as this campsite turned out to be, it's gonna be a little storm tonight, so it's a bus. We're mac and cheese out of a jet boil. Wear a little bit, eat a little bit. Well, Bucksaw, Missouri. We're having the storm of the century. Pick up out there, it is coming down.